number some testile tarida tamsan chilia so San Francisco yen la tongje mo jagani tari mixegi jina sunda cheba tu nyemolia ElCerrito sane tongje le gungi pyogi gyada dingzu nansu an tari ne jine kunze lodar shna sha an tari de mimam mo de peshe ElCerrito sane ki mimam pro mo kunze gyador chibolia da gyada ya dingzu shu sebosh nansan ni ne boze chimishu
tari resal haparisha da California ngade chimbuti na Tolia Gabiogo Tudo, Sumbitumolia, Yatasumi, Toma the Chati, Dinane, Tonge, Berkeley in Bino, Easter to Colia, to Sugar at the Richmond to Yagalo, Dumian, to Sugar at the Santa Barbara, Shima, to Sugar at the Institute of Tonge, to Sugar ratio.
So, ElCerrito City Mayor, how you decide to raise a Tibetan flag in the City Hall today?
We are proud to honor the Tibetan community here in ElCerrito and the rest of the East Bay, supporting Tibet on the 65th anniversary of the uprising. Our Tibetan community is incredibly important to the tapestry of our community, and we honor the cultural preservation that the Tibetan community has done and making sure the next generation is able to hold that as they grow up here in our community.
Thank you so much, Mayla. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
And then we'll have Mayor will speak a few words, and then I would say vote of thanks. We'll have a good photo session and we'll have a session. And then first, let's start with the Tibetan National Anthem, and while we're doing that flag raised in front of City Hall.
Si pende bonjour Tote sambe no benamba Ende non te gaje no ebe Kile kere soge Goje kanso gene Goge chamse go
It is an honor for the City of ElCerrito to provide the proclamation of the 65th anniversary of Tibetan independence. A few brief words. It is so important in ElCerrito that we represent the diversity of our community. What makes me so happy about this event is seeing the young children who are here, because it's that cultural preservation that makes it so important. About 50 years ago, my father had the opportunity to meet with His Holiness, and it was something that informed the rest of his life. And about 20 years ago, I was able to see him speak once as well. So your community is very deep in the heart of me personally, but also ElCerrito. So thank you so much for being here, for taking the time. We are happy to honor you. And if my colleague, the former mayor, Councilmember Lisa Mochiyama, would like to say a few words. Thank you for being such a strong presence in our community, and I hope that your presence and activity and action is actually good.
our struggle is not much, and we always feel that with the help of city government, state, of the other nations, we always stand by against, behind the truth, because we believe that truth will always prevail on all, and our struggle is a non-violent-based struggle to gain our independence from China. And the city is doing this. It means a lot. I think we have a lot of ElCerrito city residents here showing up today. Really appreciate, and one day we definitely would like to see our Tibetan National flag raising in front of the whole hall. And we really hope that this city will, the city council will consider that in the near future. And I would like to express our appreciation to Mayor ElCerrito, Mayor Caroline, Councilmember Gabby, Councilmember Song, Councilmember Paul, Adele, really adopting this proclamation. We hope to continue support from the city of ElCerrito. On 9 March, we have the city raising the Tibetan National flag, and then on March 10, we have City of Berkeley. They have been raising the Tibetan National flag for the last 26 years. So we hope to continue these, activity and support from. We really appreciate all the Tibetan residents here in ElCerrito really space. They feel the same that we, on behalf of Tibetan in the ElCerrito and beyond the world, really appreciate.
ElCerrito residents 로.
네.
그런 종교들.